you're writing an English poem, and that's first, foremost, last most, and I started out. I wasn't going to translate to save Yiddish culture. Who the hell am I to do that? And if it depends upon me, it's in worse shape than anyone thinks. But I wanted to turn those poems into English in the way I wanted to write my own poems. And wanted to do justice to them. I wanted to make them poems in English as they were poems in Yiddish. If you translate mainly with an eye toward, or an ear toward representing or saving Yiddish culture, you're lost. It was the poem. It was the poem itself. And by the way, that did bring me into Yiddish culture, but that was not the aim of it.